Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this really nice bedtime spray for kids. It's by NUVO, and this is cute. It's called Sweet Dreams Sleep Spray for Kids. So this is nice to spray on their beds. It's also made for linen closets too. It is such a fresh smell of lavender and orange. It's just so refreshing. It's soothing too when you're laying down at bed. And I really love the little saying on the back of this bottle. It's so cute. It says, use this spray to shoo away monsters and anything scary before bedtime. Monsters do not like nice smells and fruity aromas. And then it gives you instructions of where you were to spray this. But it's so cute because it's made for kids. They do have so many different sprays as well in different scents, and ones for grown-ups, but this one I really love. My daughter's bedroom just smells so good, and when she goes to bed she just loves the smell so much. It almost just calms her just by smelling how fresh it is. I love that you can put it on sheets and linens and stuff like that. It's 100% essential oils, which it says right on the bottle. So that's another bonus because I love that as well. But that's just my point of view.